And my name is Wenzel, and I'm the head of marketing of Cryptaine. Today I want to walk you through how to invest in our project and how to purchase our Cry token. So it all starts with an invitation. You go to our website, cryptaine.com, and go to the button Request Join to Sale. You click the button and you will end up on a Google form. Here you can fill out your email, name, your role, your investment range, and a few other things, and then you're going to hit submit. Afterwards, our team will review your application and send you an email with an invitation link to our sales page. On the sales page, you will need to select a wallet of your choice. We support all major wallets. I will go ahead and select MetaMask. We click here, go to MetaMask. Since I already logged in before, I'm automatically logged in. If you're connecting for the first time, you will have to enter your password, unlock your MetaMask wallet, and hit connect. Because I already did that, I'm going to end up here. We're going to click on Get Cry Tokens. This will lead to the two rounds we have. We had a seed sale, which is already done, and we have the private sale, which is live right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. This will bring us to this window. You're going to see the money already raised. And the options we have here is we can buy with crypto directly or with fiat. See here we have a base chain and Binance Smart Chain. Both options are available. We only accept USDC because this is due to regulatory things in Germany. So this allows us only to collect USDC. So if you decide to buy with crypto, it's super easy. You select the chain you want to use, either Binance or Base. Then you enter the amount you want to purchase, let's say 1,500, and hit buy. Everything else is, as you know, usually in MetaMask, they're going to be open a window and you're going to accept the payment and the rest will happen automatically. I want to show you how it's done using fiat because we support both options. Let's go ahead and select buy with USD or Euro. This is our fiat option. Then you select either USD or Euro and go ahead and enter an amount. Let's go with 1,500 USD, which will result in 6,000 Cry token. And then you hit buy now. And you will see a few options will pop up. Either you pay with credit card, PayPal, or Google Pay. One thing to note, if you select Euro, you will have even more options. You will have options like Klarna and other German providers, which will offer you options to even pay the monthly fee. There you go, you hit pay now, and everything else will be like in your usual Stripe checkout and all the other websites you are familiar with. And once you've done that, you will return to our website and you will see the purchases right below. It will instantly appear in your dashboard and you will see the Cry tokens in your account. Now I want to show you how you can benefit from the system right away. Here on the top, you're going to see rounds, referrals, sales paper, and your wallet. And we're going to hit on referrals. And here you will see a referral link that has been automatically generated as soon as you connected your wallet. And you can click on it. Then it's automatically copy and paste it, or you can hit click share on X. Then it will take you to X and you can share a tweet. With this link, every sale that comes through this link, you will earn instantly 10% of the purchase amount. That means if somebody else, either be it one of your friends or somebody on social media, is going to click on the link and buy through your link, you will receive automatically 10% fee. If you have any questions or if you run into any problems, don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us through email, support@cryptaine.com, or you can go through Telegram or x.com and we will get back to you right away.